Big Blue Button Chat Panel. The Chat panel is the second column from the left on the Big Blue Button meeting window. The Chat panel has three distinct parts. The Chat input field is used to type messages and send them to all participants. You can see when a participant is typing a message. Click in the Chat input field to type a return message. Click on the Send Message button. The chat message area shows all messages participants post during the session. Click on the Chat Options tab at the top of the panel. The Chat Options tab lets moderators or presenters save a chat session, copy the chat text, or clear all chat text. The chat input field is also a good way to share web links during a session.